We have a 10-minute Jumpstart Your Day workout with happy music. It's going to be easy to follow, so come on and join me. Let's go. All right, just shake side to side. Make sure you're engaging that core. Make sure it's tight. Like somebody hit you in the stomach, it's tight. You're softening the knees. Your shoulders are down and back, relaxed. Just some happy music. If you only have 5 minutes, jump on that trampoline. It'll boost your morale. All right, let's start with the walk. Swing your arms. We're starting in the center of the trampoline. We have a lot of light coming in. Oh, there's a butterfly too. You'll probably see birds flying by. All right, now we are going to step up and back. I am leading with the right leg. It probably looks like the left leg to you. It's probably opposite. Then we're going to step and use the other leg. Left and right, front and back. All right, that's your walking step. All right, now we're going to go side step. Keeping it low impact for now, and then we'll build up. Make it a little bit harder, but you go at your pace. Step, touch, step, tap. Hey, let's go. All right, now overhead. Pushing down on the mat. Now, double out, double in. Double out, double in. Double out, double in. Push down. If you need to walk instead of bouncing, that's fine too. Walk it out. Use your arms if you'd like. Just having a little fun to start out your day, little joy. All right, good. Now let's move it to a jumping jacks, all the way up, all the way down. Still pressing on that mat. All right, if you just need to step out again, instead of jumping, go back to the out in. Yeah, or half jack. Jumping jacks are so much easier on the rebounder. Oh, by the way, I'm Cheryl, just in case you didn't know, if you're new to this channel. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, please. All right, what do we got next? We have a jump, double jump, forward and side. Forward and double corner, double and back and corner. I am jumping on the Jumpstart 44-inch Fit Bounce Pro. It is foldable, although I never fold it. I just tip it on its side if I need to. Oh, good. Okay, back to the walk. Get a little breather here. I'm going to show you a new step if you haven't learned it yet. And it's called the hopscotch. Remember doing hopscotch with chalk on the ground when you were little? Yeah. All right. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2. You can slow it down if you need to. Double bounce, single. Good. How'd you do? Good. All right. Shake it out a minute. And we're going to go to basic bounce. Here we go. Basic bounce. It's a little slower. This might be a little bit over 10 minutes today. That's okay. I never want to get off of my trampoline because it's so much fun. All right, heels and toes. On one leg, balance the heel toe. Other side. You always want to start with learning the steps first before you add the arms. All right, ski. This one is kind of hard to do without doing the arms, I think. Ski. It's a single. Then we're going to move to a jump over, but it's going to be a double. Pop the legs up. You're using your whole foot. Press down. Good. Okay, shake side to side. Almost done. Stick with me. Twist. You can do it narrow if you want. Push down. Or about shoulder width apart. Whichever one feels a little bit better for you. Now we're going to go to scissors, front and back. Push down with the whole foot. Remember, you're engaging that core. You can also do heels if you want, just heels. I like doing scissors. I like doing doubles too. Singles. Go with the music. Now you can always start over again and add weights. Maybe like your lace-up weights or your 1 or 2 pound weights. Okay, slow it down. Shake side to side. We're going to end with a little joyful jump. We got the heart rate up a little bit, not too much. We're draining that lymphatic system. Getting all those toxins out. All right, go back to step it side side. Just slowing it down. Swing your arms. And down by your side or on your waist. Stretch the heels. Okay, now let's just breathe in. And push that air out. Let's do that again. That felt good. Push the air out. Now we're going to bend down, squat, grab the front of your trampoline, stretch the back of your legs, and come back up. Let's stretch those calves out a little bit. So sometimes I alternate going barefooted and wearing shoes. Just make sure you get the proper shoes for the mat so you don't destroy your mat. Okay, and breathe one more time. You did good today. Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate it. And don't forget, remember, if you're new, let me know in the comments that you're new and hit the subscribe button, comment below. And thank you for joining me. I appreciate it. Bye. See you next time.